Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to simply contact a seller or shop on Temu. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to contact a seller on Temu, all you gotta do is simply open your Temu app or simply open Temu from its official website. Once you have done this, you need to log in into your Temu account and navigate to the product page. Now, once you have navigated to the product page, you need to simply select a product you want to contact a seller of. So once you have selected it, you need to simply tap on the seller's store name or the little chat bubble icon. After this, click on the message to open a chat thread directly with the seller. After this, you can simply tap or message the seller to include your order ID and item details. Now you can simply contact the seller store page by simply tapping on the message option, and when the message option isn't available, you can simply use the help center or customer support to get to know about them more. After this, you can simply get their store information and stuff, and you can simply talk to them directly. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.